Hello all, welcome back to the Ramayanam series of part 5 and the fourth book of Ramayanam, that is Kishkinda Kanda. In this video we are going to learn the complete story of Kishkinda Kanda. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and like this video, and please do watch the previous videos of Ramayanam series. After Rama abducted Sita from Panchavati, Rama and Lakshmana wandered through forest searching for her. They met many sages and creatures who guided them. Eventually, they reached the beautiful Rishamukha mountain near the kingdom of Kishkinda, where the Vanaras, they are called monkeys, so it's called monkey warriors, lived. The place was surrounded by forests, rivers, and caves, full of life and peaceful. It was here that destiny brought Rama and Hanuman together. As Rama and Lakshmana wandered, they were spotted by Sugriva, the exiled Vanara king, hiding on Rishamukha hill. Sugriva was afraid. He thought they might have been set by his brother Vali to kill him. So Sugriva sent his most trusted minister Hanuman, disguised as a Brahmin, to find out who they were. Hanuman approached Rama and Lakshmana respectfully. When he spoke, Rama was deeply impressed by Hanuman's intelligence, humility, and devotion. Rama revealed his identity and told Hanuman that his wife Sita has been abducted. Hanuman was overjoyed and said, "Oh my lord, destiny has brought you here. My king Sugriva too is in sorrow, petted and exiled by his brother. Perhaps you both can help each other." Hanuman then carried Rama and Lakshmana on his shoulders and took them to meet Sugriva. When they met, Sugriva fell at Rama's feet and said, "O noble prince, I was once the king of Kishkinda, but my brother Vali wronged me. He took my wife and drove me from my kingdom. I have no refuge but these mountains." Then Sugriva narrated his sad story. One day, a Rakshasa demon named Mayavi came to Kishkinda and challenged Vali to fight. Vali chased him into a cave, leaving Sugriva outside. Vali didn't return for days, and Sugriva heard terrible roars and blood flowing from the cave. Thinking Vali was dead, he sealed the cave and returned to Kishkinda. The ministers crowned him king, but Vali was not dead. He had killed Mayavi and returned alive. When he saw the cave sealed and Sugriva ruling, he believed Sugriva had bettered him. In anger, Vali chased Sugriva away, seized his wife Ruma, and took over the throne. Since then, Sugriva had been hiding in Rishamukha hill, the only place Vali could not enter because of a curse. Hearing Sugriva's story, Rama felt sympathy and said, "Sugriva, I promise to help you regain your kingdom and wife. In return, help me find Sita." Both for friendship before the scared fire, with Hanuman as the witness. Sugriva then gave Rama a proof. He showed Rama the ornament Sita had dropped while being carried away by Ravana. Rama recognized them instantly, confirming that Sugriva's words were true. To fulfill his promise, Rama told Sugriva to challenge Vali to a duel. Sugriva was scared but trusted Rama's words. He went to Kishkinda and called out to Vali, and Vali came out to fight. Both brothers looked almost identical, and their battle shook the earth. But Rama hesitated. He couldn't distinguish between them. Sugriva was badly bitten and ran away. Rama told Sugriva to wear a garland of flowers so he could recognize him next time. When they fought again, Rama hid behind a tree and at the right moment shot a powerful arrow that pierced Vali's chest. As Vali lay dying, he questioned Rama, "Why, O Rama, did you strike me from hiding? Is that the act of a reckless man?" Rama replied, "Vali, you have committed a great sin. You took your brother's wife. That is against Dharma. I am here to restore justice, not to seek personal victory." Hearing this word, Vali realized his mistake. He repented and accepted Rama's judgment. Before dying, he requested Rama to protect his son. With folded hands, Vali said, "My lord, forgive me. May my son serve you with royalty." And thus Vali's soul departed in peace. After Vali's death, Rama crowned Sugriva as the king of Kishkinda. Sugriva's wife Ruma was restored to him, and Vali's son was made crown prince. Rama, meanwhile, chose to stay outside Kishkinda in the forest, honoring his vow to exile. He and Lakshmana awaited patiently for Sugriva to fulfill his promise to find Sita. Months passed. Sugriva, now enjoying royal comforts, forgot his promise. Monsoon rains came, and the search for Sita was delayed. Rama grew anxious and sorrowful. Lakshmana, seeing his brother's pain, went to Kishkinda in anger to remind Sugriva of his duty. When Lakshmana entered the place, Sugriva was frightened. His wife Tara calmed Lakshmana and reminded Sugriva of his promise. Realizing his mistake, Sugriva immediately ordered his entire army of Vanaras to prepare for Sita's search. Under Sugriva's command, the entire Vanara army was divided into four groups: north, south, east, and west. North, sent to explore mountains and valleys. East, to search through forests and cities. West, to check oceans and deserts. South, led by Hanuman, Jambavan, and Neela, since it was believed Ravana had taken Sita southward. Rama gave Hanuman his ring as a token, so Sita would know that he came from Rama himself. The southern search party faced great hardships: forests, rivers, and caves. They met an eagle named Sampathi, brother of Jatayu. Sampathi, with his sharp vision, saw Sita in Lanka. He told to the Vanaras, "I saw a golden city across the ocean. There Sita sits in a garden guarded by demons." The Vanaras rejoiced, but they now faced an impossible challenge: crossing the vast ocean. No one could leap across the sea except Hanuman. Encouraged by Jambavan, Hanuman remembered his divine powers, the blessing of gods he had forgotten. With a mighty roar, Hanuman grew to an enormous size, saluted Rama, and leaped across the ocean. The mountains trembled and the sea rose in waves as Hanuman soared towards Lanka. Reaching Lanka, Hanuman searched every corner until he found Sita in the Ashokavana. Surrounded by Rakshasas, he looked thin, sorrowful, yet steadfast. Hanuman approached her gently and said, "Mother Sita, I am Hanuman, messenger of Rama. He had sent me to find you." He gave her Rama's ring. Sita's eyes filled with tears. She blessed Hanuman and gave him her entire ornament to show Rama. Before leaving, Hanuman destroyed parts of Lanka, was captured and brought before Ravana. Fearless, he warned Ravana, "Release Sita or face Rama's arrow that burnt like fire." Ravana ordered his tail to be set on fire, but Hanuman used it to set the city ablaze before returning safely. Hanuman returned to Rama and Sugriva, describing everything: Sita's courage, her message, and the strength of Ravana's army. Rama was overjoyed. He embraced Hanuman and said, "You have done what even gods could not. You are my dearest." With this, the alliance of men and monkeys was ready to march towards the ocean and build a bridge to Lanka, setting the stage for the Sundara Kanda and the great war in the Yuddha Kanda. This is the complete story of Kishkinda Kanda, and in the next video, we are going to learn the complete story of Sundara Kanda. And please do like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Jai Sri Ram, Jai Hanuman.